In 2018, I filmed a video about keeping our RV kitchen organized. Since filming that video, I've had a lot of people ask me if I really use the things in there that I suggested. So I thought I would show you as proof for camping. Yeah, I'm sunburned. And we just got back from riding, so I'm dirty and sweaty. But I wanted to show you that yes, I do use the things that I talked about in that video 3 years ago. So I mentioned I like to pack things like we're going to be encountering a 3.0 earthquake. So in my pots and pans drawer, yes, I still use these dividers. I've had subscribers say that they just use towels. That's great. If that works for you, I just like these because then I don't have to refold my towels and put them away. So yes, I still use all these dividers. I also talked about these drawer liners. Yep, I'm still using them. And these I talked about, I still use them. I use the smaller ones for garlic powder and onion powder. In here I have extra salt, and in this one I have cinnamon, and up here I usually have extra pepper. And I still use these dividers as well. I put them in between things, like in between my salt and pepper shakers, so that they don't get damaged when we're driving down the road. I also still use this container to hold all of my plastic grocery bags so that we can use these for small trash bags. In our pantry, I still use the stacking shelves. That way I get double the space in this tall area. And I also use them under my sink as well. And up here in my cupboards, I use this shelf liner as well, so things aren't able to slide around. And I'm still packing the tiny crock pot, the blender, the toaster, and also a small waffle iron. And here in the bathroom, I'm still using a toothbrush holder to hold all of my makeup brushes. I'm still using these plastic drawers to store extra bathroom things. And yes, we still use the Tide Pods. You drain your black tank, throw in a bag of crushed ice, a Tide Pod, drive home, and then drain and rinse your tank again, and it's nice and clean. I'm still using my Dollar Tree dirty clothes bin. And one thing new that we picked up this year, our son works at Lowe's, and he was able to get us a really great deal on this vacuum. So it's so nice because I can vacuum anytime in the RV. In the comments, let me know what gadgets you have to keep your RV organized. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our